Today, we're creating a full cartoon-style animation using only AI. So we're going to use AI for the images, the animation, and perfect lip sync. This is going to be using Dzine as the all-in-one platform and used in the final step here to bring everything together. If you ever wanted to create your own cartoons, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how. So from this point, we're going to say, hey, let's prompt this thing, generate a cartoon style news anchor. And then, yes, from that point, it's going to generate that for us. We can use that image to actually animate it directly in the platform. Now, we do have the option here to use different output qualities, and that could be 1K, 2K, or 4K resolution. And for aspect ratio, we can choose between 9:16, 1:1, and 16:9 as well. There are also other aspect ratios that you can choose from, but I'm pretty happy with this. Let's go ahead and press generate. You can see it's starting the task, and in no time at all, we can see that we have our cartoon news anchor ready to go. Now we can go ahead and download that in JPEG, PNG, or SVG, and we can also upscale it up to 4x if we want, and has the option to add watermarks. But let's go ahead and download this, and then we can get going with the animation side. So now we're in AI video, we've selected our image as we can see here, and the prompt is just going to be animate this image. Again, we do have the option to use different models here as well. So we've got Sora 2 Pro, or we can actually use VO3. So for the prompt, we're going to say animate this image as she is talking and looking at the audience. We can also select a bunch of different models here, and some of that can be Kling Video, Sora 2, or even VO3. Again, we do have the option to choose our aspect ratio, and we can choose the amount of time in seconds that this animation will go. This could be great if you are putting together a longer form video or even a short form and you need specific B-roll or specific things like this to create that story and capture your audience. We can also choose the aspect ratio here, 16:9, 9:16, can have the quality, and the duration is there too. Once we're happy with this, we can simply press the generate button and it's going to animate it for us.
In a landslide victory.
Okay, so now our animation is complete and it's even added voice to this too. So let's go ahead and play and see what this sounds like.
Landslide victory. The beloved squirrel mayor has been re-elected.
I'm pretty happy with that, but we can go ahead and add lip sync to this if we want. So all we do is select lip sync, and then we can see here, we pick the face. So that's going to be the part where it's going to be syncing up. We press next. And then we get this really cool little video editor. From there, we can pick the voice with the button in the bottom left. And then it's going to give us a bunch of options that we can choose from to pick the voice.
I must not fear.
Hey, are you looking for a fresh and engaging voice for your podcast or social media?
So of course, we want the female voice here, and I like the sound of that one. So all we got to do from that point is actually just go ahead and type in what we want this character to say. Now, we can also change the speed of this as well. So this is going to be great if you do have a time constraint. Let's say it is short form content for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Maybe you want it a little bit faster so you can actually get that scene in the clip. But once we're happy, all we got to do is press generate video.
Breaking news today. New developments are unfolding right now. Let's quickly break down the key details. Big news just came in from the tech world. Stay with us as we share the essentials.
So it's given us this preview of what it will sound like based on the text we've put in. And honestly, guys, it sounds like a real person. So this is fantastic in terms of quality. I'm pretty happy with this. Let's go ahead and press apply.
New developments are unfolding. Big news.
Now we can see that it's actually gone ahead and overlaid our voice with this animation that we've got. But we can also see that, yes, the actual text we put in is longer than our original animation. So this is a smart program because it's actually prompting us to say, hey, you actually need more in this video. So it's offering to generate that for us.
Breaking news today. New developments are unfolding right now. Let's quickly break down the key details. Big news.
And in fact, if we do just press play, it does this automatically for us.
Breaking news today. New developments are unfolding right now. Let's quickly break down the key details. Big news just came in from the tech world. Stay with us as we share the essentials.
Now, this is great, but we can see that the lip sync isn't perfect yet. But that's actually a feature here, so you can see this preview earlier, and Dzine actually give that for you. Once we're happy with this, it's actually going to fix that up when we press generate here. So here we can see the generation mode. We've got normal, or we have pro. I've selected pro for this one, and then we've got output quality, whether it's 720p, which is fine for short form content, or 1080p if we want to. So let's go ahead and press generate. 10 to 20 minutes.
Breaking news.
Now that's done, let's go ahead and watch the final result.
News today. New developments are unfolding right now. Let's quickly break down the key details. Big news just came in from the tech world. Stay with us as we share the essentials.
So that is perfect, and that's exactly how you can go ahead and create your own animations. Now, we used a news anchor here today, but this isn't just limited to cartoons. They actually do a bunch of different styles here on Dzine AI. So that is a super fast end-to-end AI workflow from images to video to lip sync. If you want to check this out and try it for yourself, go ahead and press the link in the description, guys, and try it out. If you do want a full tutorial from me on every step-by-step process, then go ahead and leave a comment, and if there's enough interest, I'll make one of these videos. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.